Home maintenance plan for new homeowners. Congratulations, you are a new homeowner. As a new homeowner, you can expect to have a space that is uniquely yours to decorate and personalize as you wish. You will also be responsible for maintaining and repairing any issues that arise in the home. This can include things like fixing leaks, replacing broken appliances, and keeping the yard and exterior of the home in good condition. Additionally, you will be responsible for paying property taxes and any other fees associated with owning a home. With all of these responsibilities come many benefits, including the ability to build equity, create a sense of stability and security, and have a place to call your own. Homeownership is often considered a key component of the American dream, which is the idea that through hard work and determination, anyone can achieve financial success and upward mobility. Buying a home is seen as a symbol of stability, security, and independence. Historically, owning a home has also been a way for families to build wealth and pass it down from generation to generation. We have put together a small maintenance plan to help you keep your home in top shape. A home maintenance plan for new homeowners should include regular upkeep of the exterior grounds and drainage systems to ensure proper functioning and prevent damage to the property. This can include tasks such as exterior grounds and drainage, maintaining proper grade and drainage around the foundation to prevent water infiltration, trimming trees and bushes to prevent damage to the house or blocking of gutters, regularly inspecting and cleaning any exterior drainage systems, such as French drains or catch basins, maintaining any retaining walls or other landscaping features to prevent erosion or collapse, regularly inspecting and maintaining any exterior irrigation systems, mowing, edging, and maintaining the lawn regularly, clearing debris from the exterior of the house, such as leaves and twigs, to prevent water damage or pest infestation. Roofs and chimneys. Have the roof inspected at least once a year, or after major storms. Look for missing or damaged shingles, and make sure the flashing around vents and skylights is secure. Clean out gutters and downspouts at least twice a year, to prevent clogs that can lead to water damage. Have the chimney inspected and cleaned at least once a year, to prevent chimney fires and ensure efficient operation. Check the flashing around the base of the chimney for cracks or holes, and repair as needed. Keep the area around the chimney clear of debris, to prevent potential fire hazards. Always use a spark guard on the chimney, and never burn anything other than dry, seasoned wood. Keep gutters and downspouts clean and clear to prevent water damage. If you notice any leaks, water damage, or other issues with the roof or chimney, have them repaired as soon as possible to prevent further damage. Home exterior. Inspect exterior walls, windows, and doors for any cracks, holes, or damage. Check seals around windows and doors to ensure they are tight and not letting in drafts. Clean and paint or stain exterior walls as needed to maintain the appearance and protect against weather damage. Check the weather stripping around doors to ensure it is in good condition and replace if necessary. Clean and lubricate all door hinges and locks to ensure they are functioning properly. Inspect the eaves for any leaks or damage from gutters or vegetation and have them repaired if necessary. Check the condition of the driveway and walkways and have them resealed as needed. Exterior patio structures, fences, and gates. Patio structures, such as decks and patios, require regular maintenance to ensure they remain in good condition. Cleaning, regularly sweep and wash the surface of the deck or patio to remove dirt, debris, and stains. Inspection, inspect the structure for any signs of wear or damage, such as cracking, rotting, or loose boards. Sealing or staining, depending on the type of wood or material used, it may be necessary to seal or stain the deck or patio to protect it from the elements. Repairs: make any necessary repairs to the structure, such as replacing damaged boards or reinforcing loose railings. Regularly check the structural integrity of the deck and patio. Check for any loose nails, screws, or bolts and tighten or replace as necessary. Keep gutters and downspouts clean and clear to prevent water from pooling around the deck or patio. Store outdoor furniture and other items off the deck or patio when not in use to avoid putting unnecessary stress on the structure. Replace any loose or damaged boards, gates, and restain as needed. Gate maintenance such as repainting, cleaning, and lubrication as needed. By following this maintenance plan, new homeowners can help ensure that their exterior patio structures remain safe and functional for years to come. HVAC system. Have a professional inspect and service the HVAC system at least once a year, ideally before the start of the heating and cooling seasons. Replace the air filter every 1 to 3 months, or as recommended by the manufacturer. Keep the area around the HVAC unit clear of debris and obstacles to ensure proper airflow. Schedule regular cleaning of ductwork to remove dust and allergens. Monitor energy usage and look for any sudden increases, which could indicate an issue with the HVAC system. Water supply. Check all faucets and fixtures for leaks and make repairs as needed. Check for leaks and corrosion in the pipes, valves, and fixtures. Replace washers and seals as needed. Drainage: clear any clogs in the sinks, toilets, and shower/tub drains. Use a plunger or a drain snake to remove any blockages. Have a professional inspect the sewer and drain lines to prevent clogs and backups. Water heater. Inspect the water heater for any signs of leaks, damage, or wear and schedule any necessary repairs as needed. Drain the tank annually to remove any sediment buildup. Check the temperature and pressure relief valve. It's also a good idea to have professional plumber inspect the whole system once a year and make any necessary repairs or upgrades. A home maintenance plan for new homeowners should include regularly checking and maintaining the electrical system, including the following. Panels: ensure that the main electrical panel is in good working condition and is not overloading. Watch for tripped breakers, which can indicate a problem with the electrical system. Wiring: check for frayed or exposed wires and have them repaired or replaced as needed. Lights: make sure that all lights are working properly, and replace any bulbs that have burned out. Outlets: inspect outlets for damage, such as cracked covers or loose connections. Make sure that all outlets are grounded and have proper GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter, protection. Make sure you have enough power outlets in each room and consider adding more if needed. Install a surge protector for your electrical system to protect against power spikes. Keep in mind that any electrical work that is not done by a licensed electrician could be dangerous and may void your homeowner's insurance or warranties. Clean and organize bedrooms, bathrooms, living areas, and kitchen on a regular basis. Check and clean dryer vents and filters every 6 months. Check and clean refrigerator filters every 6 months. Deep clean carpets and upholstery every 12 to 18 months. Inspect and maintain appliances, fridge, oven, dishwasher, etc. annually. Paint or touch up walls as needed. Check for signs of pests and address any issues immediately. Carbon monoxide and smoke detectors: test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors monthly and change batteries annually. Note: old homes may require extra attention and maintenance, as they may have outdated materials and systems that require replacement or upgrading. Regular maintenance can help prevent costly repairs down the road. Finally, you have made the right choice by buying your new home. Here is to the start of a wonderful adventure. Home sweet home. Should you need us, we also offer yearly maintenance inspections. For the best home inspection, Claro Home Inspections. Call or text and schedule today at 626-253-0436. In the greater Los Angeles, San Bernardino, and Orange counties. Or visit www.clarohomeinspections.com.